Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your Poco X4 Pro. So firstly open Google Chrome and go to 2ap.io website. Thanks to this website you can see how websites see your location. In my case it's Poland, but now I'll open Play Store. Here I'll find TurboVPN or the other app, install it. Wait a while. Just open, tap Start Now, tap on the cross on the top right corner, and cool. Now at the top right corner you will see the globe. By clicking on it you will see the full list of countries to connect to. For example, I want to connect to Germany, to Frankfurt for example. Then just tap OK and cool, we are connected. So open 2ap.io website again and reload this page. As you can see I'm in France, but I need Germany. Wait a while, I want to connect to Frankfurt. Okay, I want to connect to United States. So wait. And as you can see, I'm in United States now. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.